In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Snapchat support code SS06. So when you try and log into Snapchat, you're going to get an error that states your account's been temporarily disabled due to repeated login attempts or other suspicious activity. So the first thing I recommend you do is wait 15 to 30 minutes, then try and sign back into your account. And if that doesn't work, we're going to close out. Then on your phone, what you want to do is to turn off your Wi Fi and only use your cellular data. And if you're using a VPN, most of you probably aren't, turn that off as well. Then try and sign into Snapchat. Now, if that doesn't work either, no worries, we're going to close it out and we're going to go to settings. Then from settings, you want to scroll down and select general. Then we're going to scroll down and go to iPhone storage and we're going to be looking for Snapchat. So once you find it, select it, and then we're going to select offload app, which is going to free up storage and memory on the app. Now, this is only going to take a few moments, and once this is finished, you can back out. Then, when you try and open up Snapchat again, it's going to reload for you. And at that point, once you've gotten back in, try to log into your account. Now, if that doesn't work either, what I recommend you try is actually deleting the app off your phone. So press and hold on it, remove app, re-download it, and see if you can log in. Now, if you can't do that, it could mean that your account's banned, so you could try a different device or a different account on Snapchat, but they do device bans if you've broken the community guidelines. If this video was helpful, a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.